Nollywood actress Shokoya, popularly known as Debbie Shokoya, is celebrating her father-in-law's birthday with heartfelt words. Taking to her Instagram page, Debbie shared a touching tribute, revealing that one of her longtime prayers was to have a father-in-law just like her own father. According to her, God took that desire to heart and blessed her with exactly that. She expressed deep gratitude to her father-in-law, describing him as loving, supportive, and incredibly caring. She praised him for his unwavering concern for her, noting that he never jokes about anything that concerns her. Debbie also lauded his kind heart and the many things he does for her. Showering him with prayers, the actress affirmed her love for him and celebrated the special bond they share.
Sultan.
So it's even 1,000. That's it. They give me the common.
Oh, my God!
Èmi àti Káyà ti bí nìkan ni bàbá kọ́ mi wọn ní fẹlómi wọn ní fẹlómi
ní ọdún wọn kì í para tẹ́lẹ̀ ní ọdún
ṣe yín Káyà ti ló lélẹ̀ yìí
dúró máa fún àìrà ní tiẹ̀.
Ẹ má jẹ́ kí yọwọ́ àbí yọwọ́ lówó ìjẹ̀bú màlẹ́ mi wọ́n yọwọ́ lówó àsàlámàlẹ́kùn oníṣẹ́lá ẹ máa gbórí ẹ̀.
ọ̀dà dúró jẹ́ ká ṣe wáyé owó àtinàkan.
This isn't the first time Debbie has publicly shown appreciation for her in-laws. Just a year ago, while celebrating her mother-in-law, she expressed how proud and thankful she was to have such a calm, loving, and strong woman as a mother-in-law. She also thanked her for raising the most handsome, caring, and supportive husband. Debbie quietly tied the knot in 2023 in a private ceremony. At the time, rumors swirled that she had married a man who was already married, claims which she firmly denied. In a recent interview with fellow actress Bimp Akinton, Debbie opened up about the painful betrayal she experienced from close friends who spread false rumors that her husband used jazz or voodoo to marry her. Reflecting on the situation, she believes God allowed those people to exit her life in order to shield her from future setbacks and a purposeless life. Praising her husband, Debbie expressed confidence that she is now surrounded by the right people.